Sanibona, ngiphinde nginibingelele njena namhlanje. Osukwini lanamhlanje uNkulunkulu utshala kakhulu enhliziyweni yami indaba yokuthi kumele sikhumbule singabantu ukuthi siphila ezweni lenyama, kodwa elibuswa yimimoya. Imimoya ibusa kakhulu ngendlela eyisimanga. Zonke izinto ezenzakalayo, yazi, I want people to always remember ukuthi la emhlabeni ayikho into ezenzakalelayo, ayikho into evele ibe khona just out of the blue, as they say in the English saying, or it's just a coincidence. There is nothing called a coincidence. It is either something, it is triggered by the light world or the dark world. It is either kunesandla sobumnyama or kunesandla sokukhanya, but either way there is a hand that has made that thing to happen or to take place, which is where umoya waNkulunkulu comes to help many ngokusebenzisa unembeza wakho ukuthi cha ungayenzi lento, cha ungakwenzi lokhu, hamba kule ndlela, ungahambi kule. So singabantu kumele siqonde, si-understand ukuthi zonke izinto ezenzakalayo la emhlabeni azizenzakaleli. Nalenkani le oba nayo, it is a certain spirit esihleli kuwena esikwenza ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi, ngisho kuthiwa uyalizwe iqiniso, ngisho kuthiwa liyafinyelela kuwena, but kukwenze ucasuke ukuthi no, I do not need this. Why do I need to be told by that person? Why kumele ngitshelwe ile yangane? Why kumele iqiniso ayikho lento, udlala ngathi abaprofethi bamanga nani. There is a certain spirit that is inside you that you are busy interacting with, that you are keeping emzimbeni wakho ukuze sikusize ungatholi iqiniso, sikusize ungatholi ukuphulukiswa, sikusize ungatholi ukusindiswa emphefumulweni wakho, by inviting it and making an agreement naso leso spirit leso. Yisona esizokwenza ukuthi ungawuboni umbuso wezulu, yisona esizokwenza ukuthi ungabonani noKristu, yisona esizokwenza ukuthi ungaphulukiswa ngelinye ilanga, yisona lesi osivumelayo, because you tolerate everything, you go everywhere, you talk anything, you eat anything, yonke into ilula nje kuwena empilweni yakho. There's no point of ukuthi ngiyama la, this is my backbone, I stand for this, I do not live ngaso sonke isikhathi. If yonke into uyayivumela, uyayitolerate, then all these spirits are just gonna do anything and anyhow to you, because you are so easy, you're such an easy target, you're such an easy job. Siphila ezweni lenyama kodwa elibuswa imimoya. Yes, you have a freedom to wake up ekuseni, go to work, go to anywhere la uthanda ukuya khona. You have a freedom to not wake up as early as 6 o'clock and wake up at 10. You have all the freedom. But I want you to know and understand ukuthi leyo freedom oyitshela ukuthi unayo, it is influenced by a certain spirit. It is influenced by a certain person. It is influenced by certain, which is where witchcraft comes. Because ubuthakathi, it is a way of controlling your will, your emotion, nengqondo yakho. If ingqondo yakho icontroleka ukuthi wena ngaso sonke isikhathi uzohlala ubukana nephone whole day, khona ubuthakathi obuphakathi. If ingqondo yakho izohlezi icabanga ukuthi ngithanda loya muntu, ngifuna hlezi ngilangazela loya muntu wesifazane, ngihlezi ngilangazela loya muntu wesilisa, kunobuthakathi obuphakathi obukhona obuvumelile nawe. Because I want this to be always clear to people ukuthi ayikho into ekhona la emhlabeni ekufosile wena ukuthi uqhubeke nalobo tshwala obuthanda kangaka. Ayikho into ekufosayo, but you always have a choice. Leyo choice leyo ohlulekayo ukuyisebenzisa ngendlela right ezoba usizo kuwena, kodwa uhlezi uyisebenzisa ngendlela ezokubulala. I want this to be always a reminder to everyone ukuthi i-choice onayo, i-choice yokuzisiza, but ukuthi ungazisizi nalapho futhi kusayi choice, nalapho futhi kusawukuzikhethela, nalapho futhi kusawukuzenzela. So there's a huge mistake that is made by many people, yokuthi bengafuni ukuzazi ukuthi bangobani, yokuthi bengafuni ukuziqonda ukuthi bavela kuphi, kumele baphile kanjani ukuze baphelele kuphi. Namhlanje uNkulunkulu kade efundisa kakhulu ngendaba yokuthi, yabona njengoba ubaba ekhaya eyinhloko, he is like a head. I-head inani, inamehlo okubona izinto zisekude zingakenzeki. I-head inezindlebe yokuzwa everything ebalekile, bese iyabona ukuthi ngasiza kanjani la ekhaya. I-head inezindebe ezokuphafuza zibeke umthetho la ekhaya ukuthi lo mthetho engiwubekile iwona kuzohanjwa ngawo empilweni yami, iwona kuzokwenziwa ngawo ukuthi kuphilwa kanjani la ekhaya. So lo mthetho engiwubekayo ngiwushaya la ekhaya iwona kumele kuhanjwe ngawo. And if you respect that head, if you know how to respect that head or that father, then you will understand ukuthi inhloko kanti into enjani, inhloko kanti kumele ithotshelwe kanjani, inhloko kanti ubani. Inhloko ubaba. And ubaba uyayazi imisebenzi yakhe, uyawazi ama-responsibilities wakhe ekhaya. Uyazi ukuthi kumele kudliwe la ekhaya. I remember nje kudala kakubuka kubaba ukuthi baba kuphelile impuphu, kubheka kuba baba kuphelile rice, baba kuphelile amazambane, senze njani. Kwakuma kubaba okumele akhande iplan as the head, as the responsible guy, as the responsible one. Njengamanje, even though amakhanda esakhona and they're still doing their job, but abasathathwa njengezinhloko njengakudala, abasathathwa njengezinhloko as they're supposed to be. Ekhaya manje usethi ubaba ebekile umthetho, ingane iqhubeke yenza into eyithandayo. Usethe ubekile umthetho, ingane iqhubeke ihambe iye la ifuna ukuya khona. Either izophuma ngenkani ngewindi or izowenza ewubekile kodwa umthetho. Which is what is happening njengamanje. uNkulunkulu umthetho kade wayebeka because God is like a father. God knows his responsibilities. uNkulunkulu uyakwenzela yonke into oyidingayo, uyadla, uhlezi udla usutha, wena ngaba uphili, uyaphila. Isipho esikhulu kakhulu. God is so responsible empilweni yakho, but when you lack your responsibility of just listening and obeying, and because of that lack of responsibility, ufuna ukuyenza ngenkani into wrong, athi ubaba uJehova uNkulunkulu odalile izulu nomhlaba ungayenzi, ufuna ukuyenza ngenkani, then you will find yourself in that dirty space. You will find yourself at night outside. Ebethe ubaba ungangeni late la ekhaya. Abethe uNkulunkulu ungahambi ungene ezindaweni zobumnyama, ungahambi ungene in clubs, in taverns. Ufuna ukwenza ngenkani wena, then you will find yourself at risk because you do not want to listen to the Father. Ingane eweqa ngewindi ibaleke ihambe yokwenza izinto ezi-wrong ngenkani. Kwenzakalani ngayo lapha phandle? Kwenzakalani ngayo masisebini? Kwenzakalani ngayo? Ithola isisendaweni e-wrong ngesikhathi esi-wrong. So what's going to happen to you if you do not want to listen to God the Father by not listening to imiyalelo yakhe? Akutshela ukuthi ungebi uhambe yoweba ngenkani, akutshela ukuthi ungaphinga uhambe yophinga ngenkani, uzosilanda lesa sifo. Maweba ngenkani uzoya ejele, mawubulala ngenkani uzoya ejele, mawuba nomona umakhelwane wakho ngenkani uzogcina uthakatha. And you are landing straight to hell. Because uyenza ngenkani le into ubaba athi ungayenzi, and you will find yourself in trouble because of inkani, because of ungalaleli, because of ukungezwa. And not listening hinders your growth. Yeah, that's the Lord was saying. uNkulunkulu kade isho namhlanje lento uthini? Ungalaleli hinders growth. Ukungalaleli hinders growth. Where did I write this thing? Ngibhale. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu. Ngixolise kakhulu ngalokho. I was saying disobedience hinders growth. Disobedience hinders growth. So let us take for an example. Esikoleni umfundi ongezwa ongalaleli uthisha mefundisa, uyakwazi ukubamba isyllabus, uyakwazi ukubamba ukuthi sifunde ngePythagoras theorem namhlanje isebenza kanje, uyakwazi ukubamba lokho, uyakwazi ukuqonda lokho. Uma engalalelanga eklasini uthisha efundisa, uzokwazi ukuyisebenzisa ukuthi isebenza kanjani? No, they will not know, they will not understand futhi at that. So ukulalela and obeying is the most important key in growth, in growing spiritually, in growing in understanding and knowing God, and in growing yourself as an individual. I can make many examples because uNkulunkulu kuhleze kutshala ngaso sonke isikhathi enhlizweni yami ukuthi no man, make examples azoba reality kubona, make examples abazokwazi ukunderstanda ngawo kangcono, because many people they just think ukuthi uNkulunkulu is just a portrait picture in there. Aba understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungena kangakanani deep ezimpilweni zabo, ungena kangakanani deep ezintweni abazenzayo, ezintweni abazicabangayo in their daily life activities and in their daily life routes abazihambayo. So uNkulunkulu ungena ungena kuyona yonke into nakuyona yonke indawo. That is why uNkulunkulu wants people to understand by examples ezinto ezenzakalayo daily ukuthi ungena kanjani, usiza kanjani, uphulukisa kanjani, futhi simbona kanjani. So if umfundi engeza eklasini engalaleli, uthisha uyafundisa yena mhlawumbe ubhizi uyazidwebela. Uthisha uyafundisa yena mhlawumbe ubhizi omunye ubhizi uchofa ifoni yakhe ngasese. Uthisha uyafundisa mhlawumbe yena ubhizi ubukana naleya ntombazana ehalelayo. Umfana untombazane ibuka leya mfana lo ene crush kuyona. Uthisha uyafundisa njalo. Uzomuzwa uthisha? Angeke uze umuzwe. And ungamuzwa kwakho, you will not grow. Phela uzoqhubeka uphinde lelo class over and over again because you do not want to listen. You are at a point, at a stage whereby you are given a chance to listen, obey, and grow. Because who's supposed to grow? It is you. But because awufuni ukukhula, awufuni obey, you're gonna be constant empilweni yakho ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ingane engezwe ekhaya ayibe sehluleke. Ingane engafuna ukulalela ama-values ale ekhaya, imithetho yale ekhaya, ayithi iphumela lapha ngaphandle ifuna ukwenza umathanda, igcina ibe isehluleke, igcina ibe isibotho, ifuna ukuphuza ngenkanathi umzali ungaphuzi, ifuna ukufeba ngenkanathi umzali. Hlukana nalabangani bakho laba abadlala ngawo. Igcina ibe isibotho because igcina isi-addicted to whatever that is being done outside there. Le ebakade izanya ukuvikelwa kuyona ukuthi ingafinyeleli kuyona, and by it doing all those things igcina isigqila sayo, igcina isigqila sesono. And the more wesigqila sesono, the more uzojeza ngenxa yaso, ngoba uyathanda ukubambelela kusona. So onika kona it's either kuzokwakha noma kuzokudiliza. But if you are grown enough, you can differentiate between the two. Ungakwazi ukuhlukanisa between these two things. Ukuthi lento enginikeza yona njengamanje ngeke ayivele esandle sikaNkulunkulu, le ayivele esandle. Because you are grown, you understand. It's about growth and understanding the Lord. It's about growth and getting closer to uNkulunkulu. But if you do not want to grow, ufuna uqhubeka uhlala uyingane, uzoba ingane noma usumdala. Siyababona obaba omalume bethu abano 47 thola ukuthi usahlala ekhaya namanje akanangane noma enazo mhlawumbe izingane zakhe akasebenzi, ukholela u350. Why? Because akafunanga ukukhula ngesikhathi ade kumele akhule ngaso. Mhlawumbe oba business ezinye izinto, mhlawumbe oba busy nobumnandi besikhashana ngesikhathi bekumele ngabe efunda ngempilo, efunda ukuthi mina ngasiza kanjani, mina ngenza njani ukuze nami ngibe ngcono, ngibe umuntu ebantwini. Yena oba business ezinye izinto ezingabalekanga, then isikhathi samshiya ngoba isikhathi mesadlula it never comes back. So isikhathi mesadlula abantu bakaNkulunkulu asiphinde sibuye usikhalela ukuthi Nkosi yami lesi sikhathi kube nje angidlalanga abafana, ngabe nginazi ingane ezingaka njengamanje, ngabe ngiphumelele, ngabe ngidrive imoto yokuthi, ngabe ngisebenza endaweni yokuthi, kodwa wahluleka ukwenza into ngesikhathi sayo. So you are the one hindering your growth. If people do not want to grow spiritually manje, khona bezo understand ukuthi siphile ezweni lemimoya, khona bezo understand ukuthi la kuyaliwa, la kuyathakatha, la kunotikoloshe, la kunazo zonke lezi zinto, uzozisiza kanjani ukuze lezi zinto zingakulwisi, because zizokulwisa either way usemhlabeni, zifuna labantu laba abangenandaba. So if lesi sikhathi samanje onikezwe sona to grow yourself, nali iBhayibheli lisakhona, lisathengeka iqiniso, usangakwazi ukuthi uthenge, ufunde, uhlale, because isikhathi sisakhona. If you do not want to grow now, I promise you there will come a time la khona imimoya izobe simanifeste kakhulu yagcwala ezweni, uzobe ungasenaso isikhathi sokuthi ukwazi ukukhula. Why? Because iBhayibheli lizobe ngasenalo iqiniso la ngempela. Uzobe sesusiwe wonke amaqiniso, zonke iziprofethi izobe sesusiwe ezizosiza wena. Konke kuzobe sekususiwe sesongasethi isikhathi. Izobe singasekho into ongakwazi ukuthi uyenze, uzisize ngayo. The time to help yourself, it is now. By staying in that class ka grade 5 uze ube na 20, ungafuni ukukhula, isikhathi siyakuphelela, ugcina wenze njani usikhwithile isikole. Ugcina ungasibona ngesidingo sokuthi uqhubeke uye ka grade 6, grade 7, grade 8. And ngeke uze uyazi yonke into efundwa e-high school, ngeke uze uyazi into efundwa ka-grade 10, ngeke uze uyazi into efundwa ka-grade 11. And guess what? By not knowing all those things, isitha siyakwazi konke lokho. So ngithini kuwena? Ngithi mina, njengoba ungafuni ukufunda ngokuthi umphefumulo wakho njengamanje kumele uphulukise kanjani, ungafuni ukufunda ngokuthi ubani wena, uvela kuphi, uzophelelaphi, ungafuni ukufunda ngeqiniso manje, there will come a time la khona amaqiniso uzobe sesusiwe. There will come a time la khona umoya kaNkulunkulu uzobe ungasakwazi ukuspreadeka la emhlabeni, kodwa uzobe uhleli kulaba kade bawulanda, bawathatha amafutha, bawuqongelela. Fana umfanekiso wey'ntombi eziyishumi, zonke zazela zalala ngithi, kodwa lezi ezihlanu zazazi ukuthi sinamafutha anele thina ukuthi umyeni mekafika sizokwazi ukuthi singene emshadweni. So if you do not gather your oil now, so sekufika isikhathi sokugcina la sekumele uyolanda khona amafutha akho, uthi uyaphumela ngaphandle kuyikhani yofunda iBhayibheli, uthi uyafica amabhayibheli awasequmbile kangaka, lisekho iqiniso, kodwa mhlawumbe iBhayibheli seliyi-piece of paper. So ufuna na phosele ngakho, sorry. And lapho uzobe ngasekho iqiniso, uzobe sekungamanga wodwa, uzobe sekuphila amanga wodwa. So time for you to grow is now, people. Time for you to learn about your soul, learn about yourself, learn about ukuthi uzophelela kuphi. It is now. Otherwise, masesiphelile sedlulile, uzobe singasekho into ongayenza. So ekhona njengamanje, it's hindering your growth. Lokungalalelo kwakho njengamanje, it's hindering you from growing spiritually. Because indaba inemimoya, umoya wena. Leli qiniso libe lutshela lona, ugiva lona, unikeza lijova kuwena, ungafuni ukulamukela, ungafuni ukulithatha, ungafuni ukwazi ukuthi okay ngenzeni-ke manje ngale qiniso, ngingazisiza kanjani mina, because you have to help yourself this nowadays. Akekho umuntu ozokusiza. Ngiyakutshela manje, uthanda alisekho in such a way that kwa umfundisi wakho uyomfonela 10 times, umfundisi ngicela uzongikhulekela, angafiki. 20 times elibandla lizokukhulekela likulethele umkhuleko, to ungafiki umuntu. But uNkulunkulu ufuna ukuthi abantu bakhule manje bakwazi ukuzisiza bona, because uthando luyaphela. Ithini uncwadi yaMathewu 24, ngenxa yokwanda kokubi luzakuphola uthando lwabaningi, and it's already started. Uthando selipholile, uthando alisekho manje emhlabeni. Umuntu usenendaba naye, usenendaba nokuthi ngizozuzani mina, ngizogainani, uma ngiza ngizokulethela umkhuleko, uzoyikhipha 1,000, i-1 on 1 1,000. Nongenalo uzokwenza njani? Izokuqinya leyo moya ize kubulale. So it's about time you listen so that you can grow. Because usangakwazi ukwenza, usangakuthatha leyo 200 uhambe uyothenga iBhayibheli, usangakwazi ukulivula ebusuku uma uphelele ubuthongo ulifunde ukuthi lifunani kumina, usangakudela ukudla uzile, usangakwenza kusakhanya, kusangenzeka, usangakudela konke ubuyele kuJesu, usangakhula manje. Imimoya iyagcwala emhlabeni bantu, please. Imimoya iyasabalala and ayinendaba nawe, and the time for you to grow siyaphela. Uzoze ugive up kuNkulunkulu, uzoze ugive up kuwena, uzoze ugive up nokuthi ungazisiza kanjani. And I do not want that time to reach you ungakafinyeleli la kumele ufinyelela khona, please, because awukakafinyeleli. The fact that izwi kaNkulunkulu lisatshalwa kuwena, the fact that usatshelwa the one thing over and over again, it is because awukakenzi. Akekho umuntu okutshela into eyenzile. Mutshela ingane yakho everyday ukuthi mawubuya esikoleni phorisha icathulo, phorisha icathulo. Mawuthi uyafika ngalela langa uyiphorishile, uzomtshela ukuthi akayiphorishi? Never. So namanje njengoba usatshela iqiniso, usatshela ukuthi zisize, ziphulukise, zisindise, ngoba your soul is at hand. It is because you haven't done it, you haven't started. Nisadlala abantu. Usaya enkonzweni nje uyovula ivesi elilodwa ebese uthi ayilanele iviki lonke. Alanele. I promise you, alanele. Usaya enkonzweni usakhuleka for less than 30 seconds. Akwanele, kuncane kakhulu. Kuncane. Imimoya is doing most ngawe. Imoya iyazila ngawe. And when you do not want to do more, you do not want to do the same, you are going to be in trouble in these last days. You're not going to make it. You're not going to survive. Amaphupho njengoba sawazi ukubona izibonakaliso emaphushweni. Silwa izimpi ezinkulu emaphushweni. Ngiyakutshela lezo zinto lezo ayizogcina emaphushweni, sezokwenzeka live manje. Imimoya isikhathele ukuzifihla, isifuna ukuziveza ukuthi hello sikhona, hello siyaphila. Ufuna ukubona uTikolosho uzokubona, ufuna ukubona isipoki uzosibona, ufuna ukubona uSathane uzombona ngamehlo. Uzokubona konke manje, sisesikhathini la khona uzokubona konke. So the only way to grow, you grow from the truth. Because the more uwazi ukuthi ngiphila iqiniso, the more uzoba nokuthula ngaso sonke isikhathi. Akekho umuntu enokuthula njengomuntu ophila iqiniso. Akekho umuntu enokuthula nje, because iqiniso li-release wena from yourself, like ngizothi liphulukisa unembeza wakho man, like uba sekuthuleni ngaso sonke isikhathi by the truth. Ukuthi yes, imina ngintshotshile imali ngiyaxolisa ma. By saying the truth, unembeza wakho, you get at ease, you get so happy. Uyajabula ube nokuthula by saying the truth and living the truth. But if you want to carry on living amanga, if you want to carry on forgetting the truth and going straight away from it, uyemangeni ngenkani, uyatshaleni ngenkani, uyekubhemeni ngenkani, uyekufebeni ngenkani, uyekuphuleni yonke imiyalelo yaNkulunkulu ngenkani, then you will always live amanga. Then unembeza wakho uyawucima. Unembeza ubani? Umoya kaNkulunkulu. Umoya kaNkulunkulu ngani? Umoya ongcwele, lo ozothi mawusucimile libe lucima ngokwenza izinto ezirongo over and over again, bese uyakushiya usale kanjalo. Mase ungasekho umoya kaNkulunkulu kuwena, i-survival angazi, slim chances kulezi khathi zokugcina. Because umoya kaNkulunkulu manje siya kuyikhathi la khona umhlaba kuzoba nezimpi ezinkulu in such a way that uzodinga umoya kaNkulunkulu ukutshela ukuthi vuka manje, naba abantu bezokubopha, khona sekimpimpile ukuthi wena uyakhuleka, khona sekimpimpile ukuthi kade ethi inkosi kubusise, vuka manje ubaleke, ungqabashe ungene emahlathini. Umoya kaNkulunkulu kuphela ongakusiza. By what? By you living the truth. Which is the truth? Iqiniso likaJehova, iqiniso lemiyalelo yakhe, iqiniso lokwenza intando yakhe, lokwenza into ayithandayo uNkulunkulu. Sonke siyalazi iqiniso emhlabeni. Siyabazi ubungcwele ukuthi into enjani. Siyazi ukuthi kumele samukele uJesu. Siyazi ukuthi kumele sifunde amabhayibheli ethu because ayimmanuel wethu. They represent us. They talk about us. Siyakwazi sonke lokho. Siyazi ukuthi iqiniso requires ubungcwele. And alikho elinye iqiniso ngaphandle kwasezwini laNkulunkulu. Alikho elinye iqiniso ngaphandle kwaNkulunkulu because yena uyiqiniso. Uthini uJesu? Mina ngiyindlela neqiniso nokuphila. Akekho eza kubaba ngaphandle kwami. Ngiyindlela neqiniso nokuphila. Indlela ukuthi uhambe kuphi. Iqiniso lokuthi uphile kanjani nokuphila. Base usuphilile iqiniso la emhlabeni, then you will get yourself ukuphila okuphakade. That's the promise uKristu sibekele sona. Ukuthi bonke abazombatha ilinene elicolekile elizenzo zokulunga, ibona abantu abazothola umbuso wezulu. Ibona uKristu azobalanda la emhlabeni. Because izenzo zokulunga ukwenza intando kaNkulunkulu. Ngize ngithi kuthi umuntu avelungile Nkosi yami, umuntu onjani olungile? Umuntu othobayo. Uthi mamncane sicela abantu usiphekele i-rice no-fish namhlanje. Athi hayi kulungile ngizokwenza njalo. Avelungile ngobani? Because iya-obey, uyalalela, uyenza lento atshelwa yona nalento acelwa yona. Izenzo zokulunga into enjalo. So ungalaleli kwakho kuvimbezela ukuthi ukhule. Ungalaleli kwakho kuzokwenza ukuthi unga-understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngubaba ohlala ekhaya ezulwini. Njengoba ukwazi ukuhlonipha ubaba wakho okuzalayo, then noNkulunkulu you need to respect him ngendlela efana naleyo. It's unfortunate manje ukuthi obaba sebaxhatshazwa. Sekuno women empowerment, obaba akusenandaba nabo ukuthi ubaba ucabangani, ubaba ufilani, ubaba ushayile umthetho. Izingane ayisenandaba nemithetho yobazali babo, especially ubaba babo. Kunalokho futhi omama ibona benza ukuthi izingane zilahlekele wese imithetho yabazali babo, zisuke kuyona completely. And iyona into eyenzakalayo njengamanje la emhlabeni. Uba umzali wenu manje ngenza intando kaNkulunkulu, shuthi uSathane lo othi athi uNkulunkulu ebekile umthetho, athi ungebe, athi uSathane ayithathe. Unokuningi vele. No, it's okay, you can take it. Akunankinga. You are busy listening to umuntu odlala ngawo okhohlisa ukwenza isilima. You are busy listening to isitha esikwenza isilima sivimbezela ukuthi ukhule, and you will never grow. Because umoya kaNkulunkulu tried to make you grow. Umoya kaNkulunkulu tried to inflict iqiniso kuwena, but wangalivumela wena, waliphikisa, walinqabela, then you gonna be out there uzokuxosha ubaba uNkulunkulu. Njengomzali wakho ungamlalela ubaba wakho, uhambe usilanda ngenkani sithi uzokuxosha nasesisi sakho leso, uhambe uhluphe kuhlale emkhukhwini emqashweni nani because uhluleke ukulalela wena. So ubaba uNkulunkulu, bonke abantu abahluleke ukulalela njengamanje bazobhujiswa kanye nalezi zono lezi abafuna ukubambelela kuzona ngenkani. Abantu abangayifunda ukuze baqonde ukuthi iziphi izinto ezowenza ukuthi ungangena embusweni wezulu. Please read incwadi yabaseGalatia. Okay, siqale ekuqaleni le ndaba. Izincwadi abantu abangazifunda ukuze baqonde kakhulu ngoNkulunkulu. First, ufunde uGenesis 1 wonke, u-understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu udalile yonke into ivela ngesandla sakhe. Even your spirit comes from the Lord. Ngaba uphili kuba uNkulunkulu akuphefumulela ngomphefumulo wakhe wokuphila. Number 2, ufunde ukuthi isono sangena kanjani lesi saba isiqalekiso kuthina sonke. But you can break their curse ngokwenza intando kaNkulunkulu. Isho njalo incwadi Exodus 20 verse 5 and 6 ukuthi ngokuba yilabo ilo naloyo ogcina inyalelo kaNkulunkulu, uNkulunkulu uyomenzela umusa. Labo bazinkulungwane abagcina intando kaNkulunkulu, uNkulunkulu benzela umusa. So read those chapters. Bese ufunda Exodus 20 wonke imiyalelo kaNkulunkulu. Exodus 20 ukuthi ungabulali, ungaphingi, ungebi, ungazikhothameli, ungayikhonzi, ungafisi indlu yamakhelwane wakho, ungaliphathi ngezigama likaJehova. Uyifunde yonke leyo myalelo, uthole ukuthi uNkulunkulu yini lathi siyenze, and dig deep. Because if ethi ungazikhothameli, uzibuza ukuthi kusho ukuthini ukuyikhothamela, ngiyikhothamela kanjani? uNkulunkulu make you understand ukuthi uzikhothamela njengephathi, ukuzikhothamela, ukuyi-makeup, ukuyishutha, bese uyazipressa. Hawe, ngaze ngamuhle. Zonke lezo zinto you will learn to understand them. And please read incwadi yabaseGalatia 5. Izithelo zenyama, ukuthi lezi zinto lezi uma nenze kunje, ukudaka, ukuxokozela, ukudinwa, uhawu nawo konke inzondo, angeke nubone umbuso wezulu. Bese ufunda incwadi yaba-2 Timotheo chapter 3 abadukisi bokugcina, ukuthi ekhathini sokugcina kuzobe khona abathanda imali, kuzobe khona abayithanda bona. Nabo bonke labo bantu abadukisa abanye abantu angeke bangene embusweni wezulu. Bese uya ku-Revelations izilo, Revelations 13, Revelations 14, ukuze ufunde ukuthi wena iliphi uphawu onalo. Revelations 21 and 22 ukuthi abathakathi, izidakwa, amagwala, izinja azingene ezulwini. Learn ukuthi abanjani abangeke bangene ezulwini. Learn ukuthi ngingazingcwelisa kanjani mina. But incwadi nje ebaluleke kakhulu, John 3 verse 16, ngoba uJehova uNkulunkulu walithanda izwe kangaka waze wanikela ngendodana yakhe ukuba yilo nalo okholwa yiyo angabhubhi kepha abe nokuphila okuphakade. So uNkulunkulu ukunikezile ithuba lokuthi uma ukholwa uJesu uzoba nokuphila okuphakade. Ngokukholwa ngoJesu bese uyavuma ukuthi Jesu inkosi nomsindisi, ebese uyasinda. Ukusindisa, it's not a church people. Ukusindisa, it's not certain people. But ukusinda ukuthi mekade nihamba ngenqola yomlilo niba u10 yagingqika bafa bonke wasinda wena, that is ukusindiswa. So it's about empilweni ukuthi abantu behamba benza zonke izono, benza zonke izinto, because abantu bathatha ukuthi hayi abantu bazenza nje izinto, hayi babe nalutho nani. Umbuzo uthi wena wenzani? Ukusindiswa ukuthi abantu babone ukuthi bahamba indlela ekuthi ukhethe ukuthi cha mina ngeke ngize ngihambe. Bafethu niyaphuza, mina ngeke ngize ngiphuze. Niyabhema, mina ngeke ngize ngibheme. Niyafeba, ngeke ngize ngifebe. Uzikhethele wena indlela yakho. That is when you will be saved wedwa. Ngokuzikhethela wena. Ebese ke incwadi yokugcina ukuthi uJesu uyeza nomvuzo wakhe unayo kumnika yilowo nalowo njengokumsebenzi wakhe. Ngeke uzuvuziswa ukuthi kade usebenza wena wasebenza 30 years eSpa. Ngeke uzuvuziswa ukuthi wena usebenzela umlungu waba loyal to lo mlungu wakho for 25 years. Uzovuzana ngalokho, but uJesu uzokuvuzisa ngemisebenzi yakho emihle kade uyenzela uba uNkulunkulu. If ibingekho futhi then ayikho into ozoyivuza. Mhlasimpe nje uzovuza ukuthi uhambe uye esihogweni naleso sono leso sibambile sigodlile ongafuna ukusidedela, ungazi ukuthi yini special ngaso kangaka. Into special ukuthi entertain, siqedele istress, lobo utshale buqedele istress ngaleso sikhathi. Iyona into special le ukuthi uqedele imali yakho. Iyona into special le ukuthi masifakile lelo dosha lakho la ulobele. Iyona into special le. People, wake up. This is reality. uhlale wazi ukuthi ungalaleli kwakho kuzovimbezela wena ukuthi ukhule. So these books uGenesis, Exodus 20, Galatia 5, 2 Timothy chapter 3, nesambulo. Ezincwadi ngicela ukuthi nizimbambe nizifunde so that nizokwazi ukukhula khona nizokwazi, because isikhathi nizogcina manje it's about grabbing everything engakwazi ukuthi kusize wena muntu khona uzokwazi ukuphulukisa. I don't want to make this video long because abantu abaningi esikhathini samanje they do not want to watch into and they just feel so, I don't know, but lawa mazwi nje amafishane uNkulunkulu nje ethi ngadlulise namhlanje ukuthi ungalaleli kwakho ikona okuzokwenza ukuthi ungakhuli. And uma ungakhulanga isikhathi siyakushiya. Mase sikushiya isikhathi, you will give up and imoya izoyibuyisela. Imoya izozenzela umathanda ngawo. Imoya izogida phezu kwekhanda lakho. And mase igidagidile phezu kwekhanda lakho izogcina ngokwenza njani, ngokukubulala, because into eyigugu umphefumulo wakho, into eyigugu inyama yakho. Anoke niyibuze bantu ukuthi why ngaso sonke isikhathi if beyothwala thiwanikela ngomuntu wakini, thiwanikela ngomphefumulo wasibanibani, ingoba uyigugu. Why beyothwala bakhiqiza ama-million or 2 million, akhiqiza 2 million nge-private party yakho, ingoba nomzimba wakho uyigugu, uyithempeli likamoya oyingcwele. But if uhluleka ukuthi ugcine njengethempeli likamoya oyingcwele, then uzobe ithempeli lanoma yini. And konke ukuvumelayo ngomzimba wakho, konke ukuvumelayo ngempilo yakho, ikona uzovuza ngakho. Ngoba uyohlala esihlalweni kusowahlulela bese uyabuza ukuthi wenzani usasemzimbeni, wenzani usasenyameni, wenzani usanethuba emhlabeni. Uzothini? Uzothini? I'm just trying to portray the truths, people out there. May they reach a hearing ear. May they reach that soul edinga uNkulunkulu. Because ezulwini everyone is invited. Kodwa ke kuba kuwena ukuthi uyasamkela yini isimemo. Because if ningenandaba futhi noNkulunkulu uzofana nokuthi kamakhelwane wakho mhlambe le ngaphesheya kwanzuza kuyashada bese ukufika invitation uyifunda. Oh, samkelo uyashada noJabu. Okay. Phose lapho. If you do not care about yourself that much, if you do not care about umbuso wezulu, then le invitation le uzoyilahla kanjalo. Because awunendaba wazani nezulu vele wena. Kodwa if you care enough about yourself and your soul, you are so invited, and the Lord would like to see you ebukhoneni bakhe nasebukhosini bakhe. Bese uyabusa nawe. Kodwa if ungafuni, Inkosi nje inibusise kakhulu. Inkosi ibe nani. As many can see ukuthi le channel lesi sakhula kuyona, sadlulisa amazwi and ama video abakhona on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook nembhalo. Nkosi nje nibusise nilalele izwi layo. Engifisa kakhulu mina ukuthi baphulukise abantu, basindise abantu and uNkulunkulu abe nani nje anisize nizikhulekele, nizizilele, nizinxusele. Sinxusa uNkulunkulu isikhathi sokugcina ngoba sekonakele emhlabeni. So ulihle ithemba mzobe lo. Nkosi nibusise kakhulu. Amen.